President Bongbong Marcos welcomed the dismissal of the impeachment complaints against him after the House Committee on Justice declared them insufficient in substance. Here's a report.
The House Committee on Justice has dismissed both impeachment complaints filed against President Bongbong Marcos, ruling them insufficient in substance. The first complaint, filed by lawyer Andre De Jesus, was rejected after 42 committee members voted to declare it insufficient, with 1 opposed and 3 abstaining.
The impeachment complaint of De Jesus, insufficient in substance.
The committee also junked the second complaint filed by the Group Bayan and endorsed by the Makabayan Bloc. A motion by Caloocan City Representative Egay Erice to declare the complaint sufficient failed to gain support, with only 7 members supporting it and 39 opposed.
The chair declares the Masa et al. Impeachment complaint insufficient in substance.
The Makabayan Bloc expressed disappointment over the outcome, claiming the process was rushed and that some congressmen acted as the president's lawyer.
Napakahusay na pagpaliwanag po ng ibang mga kasamahan natin, katulad ni Congressman Erice, ni Congresswoman Laila de Lima, Congressman Chel Jokno. Malinaw na sa batayan na yan ay sufficient in substance ang complaint at dapat tumuloy sa susunod na yugto. So malinaw po, mukhang desidido talaga ang komite na patayin na sa yugtong ito pa lamang ang complaint.
Committee leadership defended the process, saying no railroading occurred. They noted the review period was sufficient and emphasized that impeachment cases must rely on personal knowledge or authentic records, standards these filing did not meet.
Hindi naman po pag-aabogado sa presidente, bagkos pagbibigay po ng opinyon ng bawat isa. So hindi mo naman maaalis sa mga abogado na mambabatas na ipaliwanag kung paano tignan yung mga pagtanggap ng ebidensya.
Despite the committee's dismissal, the plenary must still approve the panel's report on Monday, February 9. 1/3 of House members, or 106 votes, would be required to dismiss the impeachment complaints entirely.
I cannot still say it's dead because there's still a proceeding that will happen in the plenary.
Meantime, Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro said the President welcomed the committee's decision, stressing that due process was followed and that lawmakers were able to determine the facts.
Natuwa po siya. Ang sabi nga po niya ay nasunod ang proseso at yun naman din po ang gusto ng Pangulo. Masunod ang proseso at makita ang katotohanan.
In an interview with The Big Story, ACT Teacher Party List Representative Antonio Tino said the House Committee on Justice acted prematurely. He stressed that the panel was wrong when it asked for evidence on the grounds of impeachment.
Mali po ang intindi at ang ginawa ng komite rito, no? Ang sinasabi, hindi raw napatunayan ng mga complainant at endorser ang aligasyon na may impeachable offense ang Pangulo. Wala raw ebidensya, hindi sapat ang ebidensya, and so on and so forth.
Representative Benny Abante meanwhile told Sa Totoo Lang that the impeachment of Marcos is as good as dead.
Binasura ng komite, good as dead yan.
Yeah, okay.
So, ibig sabihin,
Maaring the only thing that the plenary can do is we will submit to the plenary for a plenary vote. Ano? Kung mangyari man yung plenary vote na yan, hindi naman nanalo yan. Wala na.
But
It's good as dead.